Hello to everyone, you are watching KJ Decor and Lifestyle. Today I will tell you about the latest Christmas gift basket ideas. And I hope you will like all those ideas and also subscribe my channel. And what to put in gift basket for Christmas? Full of sweets, almonds, dark chocolates, truffles and more. And treats, coffee, cheese, crackers just to begin with. These gift baskets are perfect for the gourmet of food lovers out there. A gift basket or fruit basket is typically a gift delivered to the recipient at their home or workplace. A variety of gift baskets exist. Some contains fruit while others might contain dry or canned foods such as tea, crackers and jam. Or the basket might include a combination of fruit and dried good items. And what do you write on a Christmas gift basket card? Happy holiday, enjoy a well deserved break. May this season bring you many happy memories, love, and laughter. Warm festive season greetings from our house to yours. Peace and joy. And what do you write on a Christmas gift basket card? Our family wishes you love, joy, and peace today, tomorrow, and always. Happy holidays. So glad we are family and so grateful for all the great Christmas memories we share. You are someone who helps me remember the true reason for the season, and I am so grateful for you. And why is gift basket important? Gift basket is express the feelings of the sender in a way that is personal and unique. Gift baskets are an excellent gift for the difficult to buy for person. Gift baskets bring a smile to the recipient's face because everyone loves receiving a gift basket. I hope you all like these ideas and also subscribe my channel. And then, are gift basket good Christmas gift? If you ask what on earth do I buy them for Christmas? You can't go wrong with a festive gift basket. Sure, they might not be overly personable, but they are definitely better than a last resort gift card. Although, no judgment if that's your go to, besides, who doesn't love unwrapping a box full of fun goodies? All these ideas are so beautiful and charming. And whether you are shopping for a holiday, birthday, or special